Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I want to talk about why do I make bracelets and also why do I make these tutorials on my YouTube channel. As you know, and many people are actually confused, I'm a 39-year-old man living in London. At this moment I live in London, and bracelets are very time consuming and I don't sell them, as I said in my previous video. So it may look very interesting that why do I make these and maybe what do I do with these bracelets? And generally, why have I decided to make bracelets? So, I've always been very artistic in my life, like very highly artistic person. I've been doing something like drawing or creating something all the time. And I also love YouTube. I must say I really love YouTube platform where you can create some interesting videos and you can bring value to other people as well. You can help some other people and you can express yourself, and I really like it, I'm using my YouTube platform for anything that I like in my life. I used to be a professional photographer. I still do photography, but for myself now. When you see on my channel, for example, you can see my first video which I've uploaded, which was like a jumping spider on my hand. It has 6.5 million views, as I used to be also insect photographer, like a macro photographer, and I had many publications worldwide in magazines and books. And then I also did lots of equipment, like a testing equipment, photo equipment. So I have a really interesting YouTube channel regarding the algorithm. I can easily imagine that the YouTube algorithm is very confused what to think about my YouTube channel, that I'm changing the subject. People are asking, why do I make bracelets? So, I'm that kind of person. I always like to create something. And I'm also the kind of person where other people are eventually trading their time for money. I always been the guy who was trading money for time. And then it was using that time for doing something very beneficial or interesting or artistic or something for my YouTube or regarding being an entrepreneur. I have this kind of entrepreneurial nature. It's within my personality, but sometimes you are, let's say, pushing too much and you just may have some sort of burnout syndrome or something, just things are not working exactly as you want, and then you just need a bit of chill out or relax or something. And I found these bracelets actually very beneficial, just something that really makes me relaxed and it makes me feeling good. Actually, it makes me really feel good. I just said, yeah, let's try to make bracelets, and I also must say that I had a great success with it on my Instagram. I've got like 30,000 followers in not such a long time, so I was quite pleased. And people were asking like, hey, can you please make some tutorial? How do you make this? How do you make that? Maybe how did you add this button here or something? And I said, yeah, why not to make a tutorial? Cool, I can do. And because this particular channel is monetized, when you want to monetize your channel, you need to have like 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 watched hours. So it can be very difficult to monetize new channel. And I said, probably would be better to create new channel for bracelets, but yeah, let's use my regular channel. I'm just gonna mix it up with everything, photography, with jumping spiders, with Photoshop, with making bracelets, whatever. And I did so. So yeah, right now I'm creating these bracelet videos and I'm definitely happy that I can help and I can bring some value into the bracelet community, no matter my age. My age is not important at all, actually. Also, I really like that I'm able to design some patterns and people are actually creating these patterns. So that's beautiful. I never really thought that I would be able to create some bracelet patterns and they will be even like favorites. People are really liking my patterns. I can see that on Instagram, lots of people did bracelets by my patterns and they tagged me and there's a lots, like in hundreds. Suddenly people were making them like crazy. I'm like, yeah, thanks, cool. I really appreciate it, so I really feel good that I can also bring something into the community. You know, logically, I don't really know why do I make bracelets, because it doesn't give me any financial reward. I mean, I must be honest with you, that's a bit of upsetting part of it at this particular moment, because I maybe for all my bracelet videos on YouTube, I earn maybe like $7-8 a month. And there's quite a lot of these videos now. I put quite a lot of work into it. So there's definitely not any monetary reward so far. And I don't even know if there will be any monetary reward in the future. So I will definitely feel free to maybe completely change the subject or maybe direction into some certain direction which will be monetary rewarding for me. So far, yeah, I just make these bracelet videos and I'm trying to help if I can. I'm trying to inspire other people. Because I like to do peaceful activities, you know, I'm not this kind of crazy person just shouting all over the place and creating these shocking experiences. I'm more like a peaceful person. I like to do peaceful things and some friendly things, you know, because bracelet making, it's amazing that also like bracelet making can actually help with depression. And you know how many depressed people are there out there, you know, like that's really amazing when you can create something where you can, for example, help people who feel unwell and they can maybe soothe themselves, you know, they can learn some new skill and they just, you know, may enjoy their life better. I mean, that's really amazing. I mean, I really find a great value in this particular thing. I'm rather going this kind of direction, you know, like something art, something nice, peaceful, you know, friendly. I just make bracelets right now because I really had a great success on Instagram and I just said maybe if I move it on a YouTube, maybe it would also be a little bit more successful, as I see that on Instagram people like it a lot. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. That means my YouTube is absolutely opposite of my Instagram and it's very difficult for me to get more people to watch my bracelet videos. But anyway, I mean, so far I'm really enjoying it, even though I must be 100% honest that I would enjoy more people to watch my videos, but maybe that will come in the future, we'll see, or maybe I will change the subject of my videos and it will work afterwards. And also some people are actually wondering like, what is this pattern you're creating here while you're speaking? So this pattern, which I'm creating in this video, you can find on friendshipbracelets.net and it's a pattern number 94608 and I think it's a great looking bracelet. Anyway guys, thank you very much for listening. I would really appreciate your comments, likes, shares and subscription. You can subscribe as well. And definitely the comments, probably the most, because I really like to read your comments. Also, YouTube algorithm is appreciating your comments as well. So any kind of support will be very lovely. And hopefully are having a great day. And good luck with your bracelets and see you next time. Bye bye.